Alright, what's going on, guys? Vital Fishing here, out here with the Dock Ninja, Dylan Long. And as you can see, we are in a undisclosed location. Probably about 2 miles back right now. It's about a 10-mile dirt road until you get here, then you gotta go on foot. Throwing some wet soft hackle flies. So Dylan's got his little 2-weight right here. I'm gonna be using my 3-weight Blue Halo. Stay tuned and should get after him pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice. There we go, Dylan's on another one. So guys, we're literally walking pool to pool, and pretty much every pool has got one. Any undercut where they can hang out under, they're under. Oh my gosh, sorry guys, the rocks are a little
brutal.
They are a little brutal. It's a little feller.
And a little rainbow, a little brown, a little brown.
Oh, crunched it. Oh, missed him. There you go, Dylan's hooked up. That was pretty cool too. That was like a 3 pull over cast and he came up and just munched it. And he's off.
That was sweet. I was way over there. He ate it and instantly went for the rocks, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna get that one out.
But guess what? He did get it out.
Luckily, he stayed out of the super deep stuff, and I got him.
That's what I'm talking about. Very nice. Decent one right there. Alright guys, decent one on right there. A decent one for this creek at least. Alright guys, look at that right there. Look at there. You on the trout? It's absolutely just gorgeous right there. And he's off right there. So we went about a 15-minute stretch where we didn't catch anything. You know, they're hitting, we're missing them, but that's part of it. That's part of creek fishing, so let's keep on moving and catch some more. All right, guys. It's a little ant right there, little terrestrial, beautiful little brownie. Gotta love it. It's 3 in about 6 or 7 minutes, so I think this stretch of the creek's gonna be pretty effective, pretty productive, so let's get after it. Oh, there you go. All right, guys, Dylan's hooked up here. Took a nice little brownie. Oh, that's a nice little guy. Long, slender. It's a good one. Oh, wow, nice one. Yeah. Nice fish.
Damn good one. Ate the hopper.
Throwing a hopper or an ant?
Cut that out. Nice little brown right there.
Oh, yeah. Gorgeous.
Back in.
Nice job.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, a little midday update so far. So we hiked all the way down to the bottom of this creek and now we are on our way back up. Caught a few on the way down, but you know, they can see you, so it's tough. So this way, you can see Dylan right over here being real sneaky. And he's catching a few. He's missing a lot right now, but he's getting a lot of hits. So yeah, we're gonna make our way back up and hopefully catch some more browns and hopefully a brook. Better one right there. Absolutely gorgeous.
Barbless hook pops right out.
Look at that fish right there, guys. There he is. Look at him chilling. Decent one. Oh, there we go, guys. A decent one right there. Wet the hands real quick. Get that right in the top of the mouth. Gorgeous fish right there. It's back to swim another day. All right, let's get some more.
Let's get some more.
All right, guys. Beautiful little brown right there. Beautiful little brown. Let's get them back in. So with these creeks, I mean, you guys probably didn't see the exact angle, but right here, right in this little crease, this tiny little channel in this little area, he came out from under the rock and hit it. So that's why it's important, you know, hit every single little hole you see, because there's probably something sitting under there, and just act like every hole's got a fish, and definitely will catch you a lot more fish. Got him. Oh, we gotta catch up. We gotta catch up. Good one? Oh man, it's a good one, Dylan says. Sorry guys, this creek is a little unstable. Nice. Let's go see what old Dill Bob's got in the net. It's a rainbow, huh?
Yeah, look at that rainbow trout there, guys. Real solid rainbow trout.
That's a pretty fish right there. Get him unhooked. Let's get a good look at him. Oh man, he really ate it.
Oh, he got all of that one. Open sesame there, guy.
Ah, we're keeping this one, cooking him up for dinner.
No, we're not.
Just kidding, folks. Just kidding, folks.
Pumpkin.
Risky little fella. Look at that little guy.
Oh, that's cool.
That's awesome. All right, a little slow motion release here.
Oh yeah. All right, guys, back in the drink she goes. Woo! Very nice.
Catch the fish.
Very nice.
How was it?
Oh, nice. Try to bring him over here if you can. Dylan's hooked up. He's just throwing a little hopper still. Casting it way up creek. Letting it drift on down it.
He's got like no spots on him really.
Uh-uh. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
There he is.
He's off. On to the next spot.
On to the next trout.
Bill Dan's teaching you a little fly lesson. Nice.
Oh. And he got
Come on, Bill Dance.
you know, with these barbless hooks, you know that happens. Lose tension and they'll slip on by. Just like Dylan's dream girl did. All right, guys, put away the camera. About ready to finish up the day, and Dylan caught his first brook of the day. Pretty rare in this creek. Awesome looking fish right there. Let's get a little release.